Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send a document for signing in DocuSign. Alright, let's begin. First, log in to your DocuSign account and go to the Templates tab. Click Create Template to start setting up your document for signing. Give your template a clear name that reflects its purpose. Next, upload the document you want to be filled out and signed, making sure it's complete and accurate. Now, add the recipient roles, specifying who needs to fill out and sign the document. For reusable templates, you can leave the names and email fields blank. Then, customize the email subject line and add a message in the email body to provide context or instructions for your recipients. After that, go to the DocuSign Fields Editor and add the necessary input fields, including signature fields and any other required fields. Ensure everything is correctly placed for a smooth signing process. Click Save and Close once done. To send, select the template, enter recipient details, and press Send. Your document is now on its way for signing. So, that's basically how you can send a document for signing in DocuSign. That's it for this video. Thanks.